Hello, my name is Alexander from ColorGate. Today I would like to introduce you to our brand new version 21. For over 20 years, our products Productionserver, FilmGate and ProofGate have been the perfect addition to your digital printing system. Today, there are more than 16,000 installations and we support over 1,800 devices. With version 21, we are once again offering you a variety of new functions. Please note, software is ever-changing. We are constantly developing our products. Therefore, the described functions and results may differ from your specific version. Some functions will only be included in certain modules or for certain drivers. One of the highlights of our version 21 is the new Adobe PDF Print Engine 5.6. Unicode support for the Productionserver has been extended. With this version, our software has once again become a bit faster and offers additional options to automate your processes. We have updated our user interface and improved several modules. And of course, we support many new devices. But one step at a time. Let's first take a look at our Productionserver itself. ColorGate Productionserver is more than just a RIP. It is a software package, your all-round solution for digital printing. With Productionserver, you can control color in 3 ways. The first is precision. You can precisely match a printing standard or a spot color. The second is repeatability. Productionserver assures that you can reprint the job today as you did last month, or that the prints made on different machines will match. The third is composition. Take control of how your color is composed, with a lot of ink or a little ink, with a lot of black or a lot of CMYK. We also offer many ways to automate your print workflow and manage your print data efficiently. With different modules, we provide you with the possibility to put together your individual solution. As usual, ColorGate's Productionserver is available in different editions. The Flex line contains our best sellers for the commercial sector, which includes advertising technology and large format printing. All FlexLine variants include the Adobe PDF Print Engine, the container and tiling functions, and feature our hot folder concept. This allows you to process print jobs automatically and, from the Pro version upwards, also to create the print data for multiple jobs at the same time. You also benefit from media device synchronization, which allows you to create a reference state for your printing system. You can then simply reset your device to this reference if any color deviations occur. Productionserver Select is our entry-level configuration at an affordable price. Do you work with a single printing system and maybe produce posters, displays or banners? Then Productionserver Select is the right choice for you. You will achieve high print quality, reliable and reproducible results. Besides the functions already included in the Select variant, Productionserver Pro additionally gives you the opportunity to keep an eye on your costs. With the cost calculation module, you can calculate your printing costs in advance. The Quality Assurance module also ensures your color quality. Productionserver Ultimate features extensive tools for color management and print quality. You can create profiles yourself. This way, you not only increase your own flexibility, with custom-made profiles you will also achieve better color results. Numerous additional functions and color management tools such as the Profiler module and the Express Profiler module will make your work a lot easier. Productionserver Ultimate supports cutting plotters from the leading manufacturers. In addition to useful functions for managing job backups, access rights, spot colors and for simulating a desired dot gain, you benefit from a high degree of automation. Productionserver Campaign Printing is the cutting-edge solution for color-consistent production. The various additional functions are particularly useful for dealing with multi-color systems, which means printing systems that have additional color channels beyond CMYK, such as red or green. You also meet international printing standards such as ISO, PSD or G7 and get support for spectral spot colors included. Various other versions complete our product range. Information on Productionserver Lite, our manufacturer and special editions, as well as FilmGate and ProofGate can be found on our website, colorgate.com. For industrial digital printing, we offer 4 special versions: the ceramic, decor, packaging and textile Productionserver. With these versions, you create and process data for the various printing systems used in these industries. Useful additional features, such as the automatic white underlay in DTG textile printing or the fingerprint technology in ceramic and decor printing, round off our solutions. The combination of RIP and color management knowledge with application knowledge from the respective industry sectors makes our Productionserver versions the perfect solution for your challenges in industrial digital printing. With Ceramic Productionserver, you benefit from maximum efficiency from creative design to the finished product. Whether you are printing on tiles, ceramics or clinkers, we have everything you need to communicate and reproduce color on all the industry's standard printing systems with up to 8 color channels. This also applies to the Decor production server, which has been optimized for the special printing and ink systems used in wood-based panel, edge band and flooring production. Color and print data management across the entire production workflow is also offered by our packaging production server. Here we offer 3 different variants. One for direct-to-object applications, meaning inkjet printing directly onto cans, bottles, tubes and similar containers. One especially for digital label production, and one for printing corrugated cardboard boxes. In the packaging sector, we focus particularly on consistency from production batch to production batch, the accuracy of spot colors, and the convincing reproduction of skin tones and fonts, even in small dot sizes. With ColorGate's textile production server, you can achieve consistent and reliable results in digital textile printing. We have developed different variants for the needs of the 2 very different segments of the textile printing industry. In direct-to-garment printing, we have industry-leading technology for automatic white build-up to print dark textiles. In roll-to-roll printing, we are particularly good at handling additional colors, such as red, green or light inks that are commonly used here. The textile production server also supports shop and workflow systems. Print high-quality designs on garments and fabrics, color accurately and economically, while taking advantage of e-commerce and the internet. The industrial lab version of Production Server is targeted at manufacturers of digital printing systems who are just developing their system. It enables flexible adaptation to different test scenarios in terms of printheads, resolutions and ink systems. Now I would like to present to you some improvements of version 21, which are relevant for all versions of the software. Unless you use one of our raster versions, our products use the Adobe PDF print engine. With version 21, we have updated to its latest version 5.6. This ensures compatibility with the latest creative applications and allows you to benefit from the latest bug fixes in the print engine. Among other things, the handling and processing speed of PS and EPS files has been greatly improved, and a progress bar now visualizes the analyze step during job loading. We optimized our advanced PDF options. For spot color mixing, you now have the option to disable Adobe PDF Print Engine spot color mixing. Instead, you can enable the ColorGate method. For non-white substrates, you can now enable flattening to work around PDF flattening issues. Production Server has become even faster. With version 21, print data creation is up to 20% faster than in version 20, of course depending on your hardware, the printer and the print mode settings. If you print with special colors, transparencies are now displayed more clearly. You will now see a transparency grid in the background, as known from graphic design programs. Production Server 21 now also offers extended Unicode support. You now no longer have any restrictions when it comes to naming files, for example, and you can also mix and match languages. Our profiler offers a new feature, full gamut support. You can now use the full gamut of your output device. This can be helpful, for example, in industrial applications or when reproducing spot colors that are otherwise outside the gamut. Please note that you cannot apply media device synchronization to profiles created with full gamut. Starting with version 21, you can disable dithering for selected drivers. This can reduce the file size for file-based output. The output quality decreases in the process. To ensure the data and settings are not compromised, we have added a warning when creating backups. This warns you of a potential pitfall with backups during version upgrades. Thus, the backup function becomes more user-friendly and your data is correctly transferred to a new installation. The GraphTech plotter now supports barcode reading and printing. Improve your print and cut workflow while avoiding the risk of sending files to the wrong device. In Production Server, you can now create individual color configurations for up to 8 channels. The colors of the channels now visualize the measured color of the ink for each channel. This makes it easy to identify the channels and helps you to avoid errors, for example due to mixing up color channels. The retouch module has also been updated in version 21. Retouch files now use the actual measured colors for all color channels beyond the 4th. This way you achieve higher color accuracy and a more realistic rendering. You can now also create retouch files for generic color modes such as CMYK. And to speed up your workflow, you can now create multiple retouch files at once. Now I would like to introduce you to a few more of ColorGate's highlights. You certainly already know about our ink saver. Ink saver reduces your ink consumption by searching for a color combination that uses less ink but looks the same. Reducing the amount of ink not only lowers ink costs, it also creates other benefits for your printing process. Not only do you save up to 30% on ink costs without visual quality loss, the print's susceptibility to metamerism or problems caused by changing the illuminant is reduced. Drying times are shortened and ink, for example on fabric, prints less through. To conclude this podcast, I would like to draw your attention to our value packs. Software is not a one-time purchase. Processes, file formats and standards are constantly changing, and anyone with responsibility in print production wants a strong technology partner to always be at their side. With our value pack, our service and support contract, you receive upgrades and updates such as the new version 21 free of charge and thus always use the latest technology. It also includes access to our highly competent technical support. In addition, the exchange of printer drivers within the same category is free of charge during the term. With ColorGate at your side, you not only have a software supplier, but a partner for your entire business and manufacturing process in digital printing. Take advantage of our professional color management services. In close consultation with you, we will review and optimize your color management processes. The Custom Create Network is a cloud-based workflow concept, a marketplace for print. The first component is an industry-leading creator, e-commerce and store solution. With the new Rapid Spectral Cube LED, we deliver a revolution in the profiling of a wide variety of objects. For more information on these products, as well as everything related to our version 21, please visit our website at colorgate.com. Also, feel free to follow us on our social media presences. Thank you for your attention. I wish you a lot of fun and, of course, success with our products.